The ultimate key lime pie recipe, zesty, sweet, and so Florida. Welcome to paradise. Let's dive into the creamy, tangy world of Florida's favorite dessert, key lime pie. This pie is more than just a treat. It's practically a state treasure. Floridians know the real magic of this dessert is in the balance between the zing of fresh lime and the smooth sweetness of creamy filling, all atop a graham cracker crust that crumbles with perfection. Get ready to impress your friends, neighbors, and anyone within a 5-mile radius. The ingredients for the crust: 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, because key lime deserves a little crunch. 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons melted butter for buttery bliss. For the filling, 4 egg yolks, because only the yellow brings the magic. 1 can, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, the good stuff. 1/2 cup of key lime juice, fresh if possible. Floridians know the difference. Zest of 1 lime adds just a hint of zing. For the topping, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, a little sweetness to wrap it up. The steps to pure key lime heaven. Get the crust ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix those graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter like you mean it. Press the mix firmly into a 9-inch pie pan, ensuring it's even. Pop it into the oven for about 8 minutes or until it's golden brown. Let it cool while you prep the filling. Whip up the filling. In a bowl, beat the egg yolks until they're silky, then slowly add the sweetened condensed milk. Once smooth, pour in that fresh key lime juice and sprinkle in the zest. Give it a quick mix until everything is well blended. It should be thick, creamy, and smelling like a tropical breeze. The magic moment: baking. Pour the filling into the cooled crust, spread it evenly, and slide it into the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, just enough to set it. Once done, let the pie cool, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. You want it chilled to perfection. And then top it off right. Just before serving, whip the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla until soft peaks form. Spread or pipe it over your pie. Don't forget a little lime zest on top for that extra wow. Time for the best part. This pie is tangy, smooth, and has just the right amount of sweetness. Serve a slice, lean back, and pretend you're in the Florida Keys, feeling the sun and savoring each bite. Whether it's a family dinner, a cookout, or just a regular Tuesday, this key lime pie is always the right answer.